The coronavirus, of course, is a global problem, a global challenge, and fears of a second wave of infections has led some countries to rethink their reopening plans. Russia now has the second highest number of reported cases behind the U.S., and the Chinese city where the pandemic began plans to test every single person to guard against a recurrence. Asia correspondent Ramy Inocencio has that story.
Wuhan on alert again. In the next 10 days, China's coronavirus epicenter is testing its entire population of 11 million people. Wuhan reported 6 new coronavirus cases over the weekend, the first since the city celebrated the lifting of its 76-day lockdown in April. In South Korea, Seoul has ordered more than 2,000 clubs and bars closed and now contact tracing nearly 11,000 people. A new cluster of more than 100 COVID-19 cases were found linked to the capital's entertainment district of Itaewon. Dr. Jerome Kim is a leading epidemiologist in South Korea.
If the government of Korea hadn't done this, then there would be 119 people out there infecting other people. And so that actually really gets to the point of tracing people.
And in Russia, tragedy on top of infections. A fire at a hospital in St. Petersburg killed at least 4 coronavirus patients. And the pandemic hit close to President Vladimir Putin. His spokesperson, Dmitry Peskov, is just the latest high-ranking official to fall ill. But in Japan, some good news. Prime Minister Shinzo Abe says the country is now on a steady path to ending its epidemic. The national state of emergency could be lifted across much of the country Thursday. For CBS This Morning, Ramy Inocencio, Tokyo.